Hi everyone, this is Sana from Woman Scribbles, and today we're making Japanese milk buns. Let's begin. Now we start out by making a tangzhong mixture, which is made of water, milk, and flour. This is cooked together on a stove top until it turns into a paste. Once done, transfer it into a container and let it cool. Now let's move on to the rest of the bread dough. Pour 1/2 cup of warm milk into a mixing bowl. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast and about a teaspoon from the sugar that we will use later. Now let it sit for 5 minutes. Add the remaining sugar. Add melted butter, the milk powder, the salt, and 1 egg. Use a wooden spoon to stir everything together. Then add the cooled tangzhong mixture. Now with the tangzhong, you want to kind of disperse it with the rest of the dough mixture until it's mixed. I have measured 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour, and we are going to add that gradually into the bowl. The key is to add, and stir. The dough will start to gather in the center of the bowl. Now it's time to knead. Turn it over on a floured board and use the heels of your palms to push the dough downwards and away from your body, then fold it inwards. Then repeat the motion until the dough is elastic and smoother. Let this rise for 1 hour, covered in a bowl. Now after rising, we're going to gently deflate the dough and we'll shape it into a log. Now the reason for this is we will divide the log into 8 or 9 portions, and from those portions we will form our buns. Take 1 portion, flatten it with your fingers or palms, and start to fold the dough inwards towards the bottom center and start to shape it into a smooth ball, tucking the ends underneath and twisting the ends to seal it. So flatten, pull the edges towards the center and under. Keep it taut to make sure that the ball is smooth and twist the ends to seal. Arrange these dough balls into a greased 9-inch pie plate or cake pan. We will let this rise again for another hour, covered with a clean kitchen towel. Once risen, brush the surface of the dough with milk. This will give it the deep color, and bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes. Now enjoy warm, fresh bread out of the oven. Nothing beats that aroma. I hope you enjoyed this bread as much as I did. And as always, my friends, happy baking. Until next time.